I think a lot of us out there is having this controller disconnect issue with the Linux racing wheels, and I found a fix for it, and it's pretty simple. So the thing that you have to do is, let me put this down, is just hit enter on your keyboard to get out of this menu, and then hold the enter key on your keyboard like so, and then disconnect your USB to your keyboard, and basically it will disconnect and will turn off like that. But then voila, your racing wheel will work and everything works on it. The menus, you know, every button that you want it to work works. The driving, the pedaling, the shifter right now is not set on manual, but you can see everything works here. And then if you still want your keyboard connected while you already did this fix that I just showed you, all you do is re-plug in your keyboard again like so, and you can see my keyboard is on again and it's gonna work again. Like the game still works with the keyboard, but you pretty much just have to do that trick. See, now it doesn't work again because the keyboard's connected. So all you have to do is shift in this menu while you see your car, not in the game menu, and then hold down enter, disconnect your keyboard, and then the wheel works again. There you go. And I hope this works for you guys. This is a fix for me. It's annoying to disconnect your keyboard, but at least everything else works on the wheel. I hope you enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and I hope this fix works for you guys too.